Hello and welcome to ARCHI Tools. In today's tutorial, I'll teach you how we can make array parameters, and using this array parameter, we can create different families like a parametric ladder family, a baluster set, or anything which is in repetition. So to understand this array parameter, I'm going to make a family of parametric ladder. To start with, I'll just create a new family, metric casework or any type of family you want. So I have opened it and I'll go to my floor plan. First of all, we'll create the legs of the ladder using the extrusion tool. I've made a rectangle, and after taking the dimensions, let's make it 50 by 50, and we'll just lock it. By logging the dimensions, you make sure that this size doesn't gets varied when the width of the family gets increased or decreased. You can also provide a parameter for this, but I want to keep it simple, so I did not do the same. It's not required for me. Similar way I will do for the other end as well. Make it 50, select the dimension and lock it. Similar for this. After that, I'll just lock the constraint from left hand and similar from the right hand. Now, if I increase the width, let's say 1200, you can see that the internal sizes won't change since we have locked the dimensions. Now I'll go to the elevation and I'll just extend this extrusion till the reference point and lock it. Now as we change the height, let's say I have kept the height of 2000, the legs height will also vary accordingly. Now the legs are made, I have to create my ladders steps, which will be uh, further made into an array parameter. I'll go to my left view. I'll create an extrusion using the rectangle. Let's keep the height of 40 and width of 20. Similar way, I'll select it and make the dimension lockable. As discussed, you can also make a parameter of out of it, but I don't want it, so I have kept it simple and just logged it. Now I'll keep it to the center of the ladder leg and move it to a particular distance, 150. Moving to the front elevation, I'll align both the ends with the interior leg faces. Next, I'll provide a reference plane for the start and end of my ladder step. Since I am made need to make the copy of this ladder in the internal parts, and I have to provide a specific distance till which the parameter will work. So I have kept an offset from top and bottom. Let's say I have kept an offset of 150. and I'll just lock it. Similar way for the down part, make it 150, and I'll just lock it. Now locking the steps. Now this is a step which I need to make it multiple times till it reaches to the top. So I'll use my array command. I'll type AR, and here make sure that group and associate option is ticked because I want to create an instance parameter after that. So group and associate need to be ticked for that. I am using a linear parameter. This option must be selected. Next is the number. I want to keep a number of 10 for now, and my option for moving is move to the last. So I'll select this part, move it to the top reference plane. So a total of count of 10 has been placed between these two reference planes. Now as you can see, if I select any of the grouped items which I have just copied through array, you can see a number with a demarcation has been provided. If I select this part and go to the level, I can see an option of add parameter. I'll click on this, provide the name of the parameter. Let's say named it count, make it into type, and press on OK. Now the parameter has been added. The thing is, if I adjust the height, let's say 3000, the count is not being adjusted. I'll align this to this is aligned, and after alignment, you need to lock it. In my case, I have ticked the option above here, so as soon as I align, it automatically gets locked from here. After my top step and bottom step is locked, you will notice that the amount of the ladders is still 10 because the count has been fixed in the parameter, that is 10. I can, if I add on, I just need to type it from here every time, and the count will increase. But what I want is, I want that I just increase my height and the ladder count increases automatically based on the spaces between them. So we need to make a formula for that. So it will be relatable to the height. I'll copy the height to the formula, and I'll divide it by the spacing. Let's say I want my spacing to be 200 and press on OK. Now, as the height increases, the count adjusted adjusts itself. For providing example, let's say I have made the height 4000, the count gets adjusted automatically. So in this way, you'll only need to adjust the height and the count of the ladders adjust accordingly. So this is the beauty of array parameter, which you can use in making various families, like for the balusters and any item which is in repetitive for making nested families. I hope this video is clear to all of you, and it will be helpful in making your typical families in Revit. And make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a great day.